Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to convert my sun visors into Euro sun visors without spending $600. All right, so first things first, we're gonna fold the sun visor down and pull it back. And then we're gonna take a pry tool like the one shown here, and we're gonna take this off. After that, there's gonna be a T25. We'll get to that shortly. All right, so take your pry tool. We're gonna come to this edge right here and then pop it out, hopefully. So actually the front side's a little bit easier. Then we'll have our T25 right there. All right, and we're gonna unscrew this. If anybody's wondering who's holding the camera, Ben is on my channel and he's helping me this time, not the other way around.
Yep, how the turntables have turned.
How the turns have tabled.
That too.
So we're gonna take this out. Aha, it's not gonna fall out, just so you know. And then I believe
Wiggle jiggle.
it's supposed to fold down. There we go. I pulled the visor a little bit back. Now it's coming down. Whoop, let me not drop my tool set. There we go. And then now we have a connector. So you're gonna actually pull this harness out. We've already pulled the cable out before, but just to show you, this will slide out all the way and then just yank as hard as possible. And it'll come off on this side. All right, we're gonna do the driver's side. Again, same thing. This side's a lot looser because I use it more often. We're gonna come over here, pop this, that easy. Let me grab my tool, have it near you, pro tip. And then we're gonna take this out. If anybody's wondering what tools I'm using, I'm actually using my computer tools. iFixit. It's a little convenient to have in the car, I will say that.
About to say, yeah, computer tools came in clutch.
Yep. Put that there. Same thing. Let's fold this forward. Boom, like that. And like I said, pull this out like so. And hopefully I don't rip the cable, but like that.
Takes a lot of force.
Yep, a lot of force. And then take these inside and we'll start part 2. All right, so we're gonna need isopropyl alcohol, paper towels, and something to scrub with. We're gonna put the paper towel down on top like this. Make sure it's completely covered. We're gonna take the isopropyl alcohol and pour it all over. And make sure it sits on there for 10 minutes. All right, so 10 minutes has passed. I'm gonna take this off. Use your brush, just start brushing it. It has to sort of grab, there you go. Finally grab, and it'll start peeling off. This brush seems to work a lot better than the nylon brushes that other people were suggesting because it's got a bigger surface area. It can pull it off in one big swoop, unlike that small one. And then if it doesn't come off, you can soak those areas a little bit longer to get the rest off of it. So Ben, while you're filming, did you think it'd be this easy?
I honestly didn't know what to expect, honestly, but that's pretty easy. There's no denying it. Came off like butter.
Now, everyone online suggests using a nylon brush. For some reason, Home Depot did not have one, so just went to the kitchen aisle, kitchen cleaning supply aisle, and they had this. It's also nylon, but it's not too abrasive, so it won't damage your sun visor. As you can see, I'm sort of scraping sort of hard. All right, so we already put the driver's side back on. We're about to put the passenger side so we can show you. Just so you know, make sure this plug is facing this way. That's how it clips in. Not sure if you can see that, but hopefully you can. And then we're gonna plug this in as so. Start feeding it back. And then it's gonna hook in just like so. We'll grab the screw and the T25 and screw this sucker back in. Snap. And just like that, you got Euro sun visors. Make sure to clean it off after. There's probably going to be a little bit of residue, but overall it looks pretty good. And I'll actually flip them out to the front and we can show you how they look from the front. So not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but looks good from the front on both sides. And that's how you get $600 sun visors for the price of free.
For the price of your Starbucks coffee in the morning. Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, no, it looks good. Definitely looks good. Instagram made us do it, or made him do it, and it actually worked. I was surprised, honestly. I was like, I don't know, you know, and it actually worked. So.
How long did it actually take me?
15 minutes.
Literally.
Literally 15 minutes. Pro tip for you guys, if you don't own an M, the material that your sun visor shade is made out of will be different. It'll be made out of that same kind of fake leather that your seats are made out of. But if you do own an M, it's a lot more rigid, I guess you could say, and it's made out of a little bit of a more aggressive material, so you can kind of scrub all you want and not have to worry about damaging the fake leather or anything like that. So.
All right, so I think it looks great. It's a quick, easy mod for you to do. Ben's over here eating. But it's a great mod, super cheap, super easy to do, and just makes the car look so much better doing that. I mean, I think Ben agrees, yeah?
Absolutely.
Maybe? So, yeah, hopefully you like that as a DIY. Let me know down in the comments if you guys did this, if you guys like content like this. I can post some more, and catch you on the next one. Peace.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
We're coming back. Be sure to follow this guy too, because he has helped me today with the camera work. I usually am helping him. It's always the other way around, so big shout out to Ben. Yeah, now we can close out the video.
Yeah, facts.
Peace.